is Macy Samuelson. I play softball for Granbury High School. I've been on varsity for 4 years, and I've played since I was probably about 6.
I'd like to talk to you today about Macy Samuelson. She's one of my senior softball players who's up for your Shiner Athlete Scholarship. She's just a great kid. She's a good leader on our team, on and off the field. She takes care of her grades, especially during the season when we have late night softball games and we're just traveling from Fort Worth and back and forth and getting ready for playoffs. And she's just a great kid, and I think she'd be a good candidate for your scholarship.
What really drove me to play softball was probably my mom, because she played all throughout high school, all throughout when she was little. My competitive spirit is probably my mom, because I'm very competitive and I get really mad if I don't win. My dad also has been a really big part in softball because he played baseball, and they're the ones that really took me to like all my tournaments and all my games and stuff. So I was in choir for 2 years. I was on JV chamber choir my sophomore year. I took a trip to Italy with the GHS choir. I pretty much just played softball. I volunteer at church in the children's ministry. And my most memorable game was probably when we played Western Hills last year for a seeding game, and we went into like 11 innings. It was tied the whole time, and then we finally, when we drove in that scoring run, or actually I think I was the scoring run, that was just really big because everybody was energetic. I don't know, I've never felt that way at a game, I don't know. Or when we almost beat Aledo last week, that was pretty big too. No one was expecting us to be like that. So after high school, I'll be attending Tarleton State University in Stephenville. I'll be majoring in pre-pharmacy, biomedical science. I'm not gonna play softball because, you know, it's gonna be really hard to balance both, but I wish I could.